And now we have these braces, and now here we will use our text view, available sensors, view. We can call it available sensors view. Available sensor view dot set text, and we can say sensor, let's have this sensor number, and then we have this semicolon, and then we can use plus sensor ID, and we can again use plus a space, and then we use our mList sensor dot get. We get the index, we get the sensor at each index, or actually get name dot get name. We get the string name of the sensor, and that's it. This is going to append this sensor text, this text view for the sensor with one by one. For example, it will say sensor number 1, and then write its name. Pick the list from the index 0, and then from the index 1, and from the index 2, and like this. It is going to fill all the our UI with all the available sensors. Now we run our project. We have to select this one. This is our available virtual device, Nuxx 6P API 25, and we run it, and then we wait before the APK installs and our emulator gets up and uploads, and the UI is visible and loads the app, the app UI. So our app is now running, and we see here we have only the sensor number 13, orientation center sensor here. Yeah, so this must be the 13th one. So I know what the problem is. The problem is that we don't need to set text, because set text always replaces the old text in the text view. We need to use the append. So now if we run it, it will show a list, because it will just extend append the previous text inside the text view. And now we have to wait a bit. Yes, now we have list of available sensors. Sensor number 0 is accelerometer, and then X is gyroscope, magnetic field sensor, sensor number 3, sensor number 4. Yeah, so but the problem is that they are all one after the other. There are no lines. Now first of all we should start with 1. So sensor ID plus plus should be here, because it will be one more. The counter will start from 1 now, not from 0. And the next is that we need to have a new line. So we just add another plus sign here and a new line at the start, /n, not this slash, the other slash, this one, sorry, /n. And now we see what we get. Again, we run it. So now you see we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 orientation sensor. They're all in different line lists of available sensors on the top, but still we have